Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you dodge those buyer's remorse blues. Today, we've got a drone showdown that's more exciting than a cat chasing a laser pointer. On my left, we've got the Holy Stone GPS drone HS175D. Let's call it Holy Stone. And on my right, the Techwonderz drone with camera. Let's go with Techwonderz. Buckle up, because we're about to dive into a drone duel for the ages. First up, let's talk about the most important thing: price. Holy Stone will set you back $229, while Techwonderz is a lighter hit on the wallet at $129. So if you're on a budget, Techwonderz is like that friend who always picks up the tab. But hold on, sometimes you get what you pay for, so let's dig deeper. Category 1. Camera quality, asterisk. Holy Stone boasts a 4K ultra-clear camera with a 110 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustable lens. It's like having a mini Spielberg in the sky. Meanwhile, Techwonderz offers a 1080p HD dual camera setup. Sure, it gets the job done, but it's like comparing a Picasso to a finger painting. Reviewers have praised Holy Stone for its excellent picture and video quality, while Techwonderz, although good, doesn't quite reach the same level. Holy Stone wins this round, folks. Nahaya. Category 2. Flight features, asterisk. Holy Stone comes with GPS auto return. Lose signal? No problem. Out of range? No worries. Low power? It's coming home. It's like having a drone with a built-in mom. On the other hand, Techwonderz has a 360 degrees obstacle avoidance feature. Great for those of us who fly like we drive in rush hour traffic. Plus, it supports up to 50 minutes of flight time, which is longer than my last relationship. Reviewers have highlighted Holy Stone's reliable GPS and return features, while Techwonderz is praised for its obstacle avoidance and extended flight time. So this one's a tie. Both drones bring something cool to the table. In Category 3, User Experience, asterisk. For beginners, Holy Stone has altitude hold, optical flow, headless mode, one-key takeoff/landing, and speed adjust. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. Techwonderz, however, also caters to newbies with fast and slow gears, one-key takeoff, landing, emergency stop, and altitude hold. Plus, it can perform 360 degrees flips and rolls. Reviewers have found both drones easy to fly, but Techwonderz takes this round for its extra fun features like flips and rolls, making it more engaging for beginners. Category 4. Portability, asterisk. Holy Stone has a considerate design with a carrying case and a foldable fuselage. It's like the Marie Kondo of drones, compact and travel-friendly. Techwonderz doesn't mention anything about portability, so Holy Stone takes this one hands down. Plus, it's under 250 grams, which means no FAA registration. Reviewers have appreciated Holy Stone's portability and ease of carrying around. In Category 5, Intelligent Functions, asterisk. Holy Stone can trace and follow you, fly along a set path, and even take photos when you pose. It's basically your personal paparazzi. Techwonderz also has cool features like waypoint functions and follow me mode, but it lacks the same level of sophistication. Reviewers have praised Holy Stone for its advanced intelligent functions, whereas Techwonderz, while good, doesn't quite match up. Holy Stone wins this round with its James Bond-level intelligence. Overall, reviewers have positive sentiments for both drones. Holy Stone is often praised for its camera quality, flight features, and intelligent functions, making it a great choice for those willing to invest a bit more. On the other hand, Techwonderz is appreciated for its affordability, ease of use, and fun features, making it a fantastic option for beginners and those on a budget. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a comparison. And drop a comment below. Are you Team Holy Stone or Team Techwonderz? Product links are in the description. Until next time, happy flying and smarter buying.